Connected Health and myKiosk. What is Connected Health? Connected Health is the consistent and accurate remote monitoring of patients' vital signs and well-being data, monitoring patients with long-term conditions within their own homes. What is myKiosk? myKiosk enables a provider to take patients' readings of their vital signs such as blood pressure, weight, and oxygen levels in non-clinical settings such as their own home or a care home for single or multiple patient use. myKiosk is already preloaded with the required monitoring programs and the interviews associated with them for all of the patients associated to the provider logging in. To get started, click the link provided by Tunstall and click kioskrelease.apk. Once downloaded, click Install. On Apple devices, download the myKiosk app from the App Store. Once downloaded, click Open. To log in, enter your username and password. This will be the same login details as your ICP Triage Manager login. Click Sign In. Enter the myKiosk access code listed in ICP Triage Manager. The access code determines the functionality available to providers when they use myKiosk. Once the access code is entered, click Done. The user must confirm that the myKiosk settings should be saved and they will be then logged out. Log in using the same username and password again. myKiosk includes various functions and features, such as performing interviews for patients using the Finding Patients option, changing patient monitoring plan, enrolling a new patient, viewing upcoming interview schedules. To find an individual patient, on the opening screen, click the Find Patient tile and type the name or ID number of the patient, then tap the magnifying glass. Tap on the correct patient and their monitoring plan appears. To change the monitoring plan for a patient, click Change Program and a list of available monitoring plans is shown. Now select the correct plan and the patient screen will show the new plan. To enroll a new patient, on the opening screen tap Add Patient and enter the following details: first name, last name, ID number, date of birth. Then tap Choose Program and select the appropriate monitoring plan from the selections available. When the correct program shows on the patient record, tap Save. Providers can manage the interviews which patients must take using the scheduling feature. Tap Upcoming Interviews and patients are listed in the order in which their interviews are due. If more than one interview is scheduled for the same time, myKiosk will display them in alphabetical order by patient's first name and then second name. When the Start button is tapped, the interview progresses as normal. If you need any assistance using myKiosk, please contact our friendly team at au.servicedesk@tunstall.com.